If you don't like being broke but still spend like a baller, then this video is for you. First up, mistake number 1, not having a budget. It's like driving blindfolded, super risky. Track your income and expenses, set limits, and keep an eye on it monthly. Next, ignoring small expenses. Those daily coffees and takeouts, they add up fast. Start tracking your spending and watch those small costs to save big. Mistake number 3, not saving for emergencies. Life's unpredictable, so stash away 6 months of living expenses. Your future self will thank you. Now, paying high-interest debt last? Big mistake. Prioritize those high-interest debts first. Use the avalanche method to knock them out quicker. Finally, not investing early. Time is your best friend here. Start investing as soon as possible to reap the benefits of compounding. Like what you heard? Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips to boost your financial game.